Can you buy a new house with conventional loans and put it in a land trust, or do you have to close in your personal name and put it in a land trust? I can tell you, Vincent, that probably 99.999% of banks are not going to let you take title in a land trust. Conventional financing, 30-year fixed rate, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, no, you're not going to be able to do that. Now, if you have a relationship with a small local bank, and that's not going to be a conventional loan, that's going to be some investor financing or something other than that. We have let them they have let us take houses in the past in a trust for investment property. But in general, yes, conventional financing, you are going to have to take title in your own name and then put it in a trust. Is that perfect? No. Is it better than not doing it? Yes. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.